Right. So there was a little bit of other news as well when it came to this case today, and I want to tell you about that. It's a little bit convoluted, so I'm going to try and make it as simple as possible. The judge did what some people think was give a gift to the defense, because the judge has said, regarding all that DNA technique that the prosecution's been using, I get it. I get it, defense attorneys. I get it, Bryan Kohberger. You want a peek in their file, and you think you deserve the discovery. Normally, that's not so unusual, but you don't get everything in an investigation. In a discovery, you don't get everything. You don't get every single police officer's notations in every book that they might have done an interview, right? You don't get everything. And the prosecutors are saying, that's right. Our DNA technique that we used, genealogy, you know, the good old 23andMe stuff, we didn't use it for any court stuff. We didn't use it for warrants. We didn't use it for anything where you deserve to see that work product. What we did was we figured out who his family was, and then we went and did good gumshoe policing. We collected their trash, and then we did the old swab of his cheek. And the swab of Bryan's cheek, the police say, matches that knife sheath at 1122 King Road. So what the prosecutors are saying is that you don't get to see every piece of work product. You don't get to see everything. And quite frankly, we don't think we need to share the genealogy with you, because it was just sort of, it was like the lie detector test. It just led us to more information that we could investigate. Defense saying, nope, we want it all. And the judge is now saying, yeah, you know what, I'm going to take a look at that. I think I'm going to go into chambers without all the cameras and everybody listening, and we're going to take a peek and see what they can and what they can't see. So to figure that out and how that works, Dave Aronberg is with me. He's the state attorney for Palm Beach County. Dave, it's so cool to see how confusing, I just call it, you know, DNA, but it is cool to see how this familial DNA has woven its way into American jurisprudence and become complicated. Do you see this as complicated, or do you just see this as placating the defense and moving on?
Actually, it's been going on for a while, but law enforcement hasn't wanted the public to glimpse behind the curtain because, number one, they don't want the public, when they sign on to these genealogical websites, 23andMe, for example, to not click the box allowing your information to become public, because law enforcement has been using this stuff to catch serial killers, cold cases. And if the word gets out that your information, your DNA could be viewed by law enforcement, maybe people don't check that box, and then you can't crack these cases. One of the reasons why the prosecutors did not want the defense lawyers to see all this stuff is because they don't want the cousin, the third cousin, or whoever the relative is of Bryan Kohberger to be harassed. And they don't want that person to be some red herring at trial. Aha, this is the real killer. He's got the DNA. And besides, what privacy interest, Ashleigh, does Bryan Kohberger have in the DNA of his second or third cousin? None.
So is this one of those things? There's a fancy expression in the law. I always love it. It's called fruit of the poisonous tree, meaning if you do something that isn't quite right and it leads to really good information in the case that could nail you to the cross, you all of a sudden can't use that because it was born from that poisonous tree. Is this one of those circumstances where the familial genealogy that led them to Pennsylvania, that led them to Bryan Kohberger's dad's house, that led them to believe we got a family member and someone in this family member must have a white Elantra and, you know, fit the bill, and there was Bryan Kohberger? Is it possible at all that all of this could be thrown out because of the poisonous tree? I don't think it's poisonous, but is it?
Actually, that's what the defense is hoping. That is like their only chance here, I think, because once they had the DNA swab of Kohberger's cheek, it was a match. And how did they get to that swab? Well, you laid it out correctly. They had to first get the DNA from the sheath of the knife. Then they ran it through the databases, and there was no criminal in their database on file that matched. So what they did was they took it to the genealogical database, and they found a relative, and they compared the relatives who owned a white Hyundai Elantra, and that's how they found Kohberger, and that's how they got the swab of his cheek. So if you could suppress the initial genealogical DNA, the thinking is everything else goes away as well. It's fruit of the poisonous tree. I think it's very unlikely this will work, but it's all they got.
So I just want to remind everybody that this is exactly what we're talking about. It's the K-bar knife. This is not the knife, obviously. I don't have the piece of evidence here in the studio, but this is the piece of evidence that we're talking about, and it's this little snap right here, right there, that snap. The DNA that they discovered was in this little snap. Maybe you can see it better against my white shirt. This little snap right here. The DNA was somewhere in this little snap, and so that was a minuscule sample, and they did the genealogical tree, and then they found the Kohberger family and went to Pennsylvania and got the garbage and had a hit, and then got Kohberger and swabbed his cheek. So it's super interesting. You know, Dave Aronberg, let's meet back up when they finally decide what's going to happen with this, because I'm like, it's, you know, we're flying the plane as we're fixing it kind of thing with this genealogy. So it'll be interesting to see what they do. Thanks for doing this.
Thanks for having me, Ashleigh, and happy Halloween.
Hey, happy Halloween to you, too, and all the nerds that you've probably gone through tonight. I'm just like, I'm seriously on a sugar rush. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.